Hello and welcome to Streams of Wealth. In this video I will show you one of the best forex indicator that you can use for scalping. The indicator is called TDI, so just go on TradingView, click on indicators and type TDI and use this TDI Gold Mines edited for MMM by this guy, and click on settings and copy this setting. So you want levels to be 25 and 75, and this can stay. So what you are looking for is, we are on Euro JPY. What you are looking for is, you want these impulsive moves to the upside or to the downside, and best is if this move is close to these lines, to 75 or to 25, but it is not necessary. As you can see, even if I go in some past results without hitting on replay, these moves and I forget to mention, this impulsive move, this green line, as you can see, this green line have to be below or above this blue line, because this blue line, if you don't know TDI indicators, this blue line, it's like Bollinger Bands. So TDI is mix of a few indicators. The baseline, the blue line is like Bollinger Bands, so you are always waiting for this green line to cross above or below with impulsive move, this blue line, and then you are looking for trade. So let's backtest this strategy. Well, so here unfortunately I missed this, but as you can see, this is exactly what you are looking for. The green line cross below blue line, and it was in 24-25. So this was very good. Then if you saw, for example, if you are live, this is what you see live. So you are just waiting for this. When you see that it's moving up, then you hit buy, stops below. I don't know, it's scalping, so you can go just 1-to-1, 1-to-3. So that was fast. So as you can see, this is very good scalping method. So let's go and see and wait for another move above or below this blue line. Now we want to see some strong, and of course it has to go up and down, not it's playing above this blue line. This is not what you are looking for. You want to see something like this. It move down, strong move to the downside, and then reverse to the upside. And of course this was plus, this was on 25-24. So if it's at least on 70, then it's better than if you just see it in the middle, but even in the middle you can do it. So let's wait for some move. Well, this, I don't like this. It have to be something like this, exactly like this. It needs to have some impulse, alright? And, well, this was looking good, but and we can see now that we are now waiting for reverse or for a sign of reverse. Of course, it is not guaranteed, but it is highly probable. And this is good, but well, put stops to have one-to-one. To have one-to-one, let's do something like this. Well, we lost. But it happened, we are one win, one loss. So let's do, as you can see, we are approaching this 70 position, or I don't know what it called, it's, I forget the word. What's this 70? You know what I'm talking about. It is, how it's called. But you know what I'm talking about. So we are waiting for some. Now it will be good if it makes some strong move to the upside. No. Of course you can use small time frame, but I'm using 1 hour, and as we can see now it's forming something, so let's wait. Yes. And this is good. This is good, and I'm going with 1 to 1. Well, it's too long, but we have 1 to 1. Well, it was scalp that took a few hours, so you probably close it. But of course you can use it on smaller time frames, not just 1 hour, because this took a few hours, but we get 1 to 1, and that's all that matters. If you want, I will do video on small time frames, because you are looking for scalp, but it can be faster. This just took a few hours, but it can go much faster. It can be just one candle, and you don't have to hold it on 1 to 1, but it's better, because if you don't hold it to 1 to 1 risk to reward, you close it with only a few pips, and then you let it run for in the next trade you let it run to hit your stop loss in 1 to 1, and that is not good money management. And now we can see strong move, but it's not on, it's not above the blue line, so let's wait. This not, no, I will do one more, and I don't even know what day it is, so that also depends. Of course, if it's Friday, if it's at the evening, I'm not doing it, of course. So I don't even know what time it is, what day it is. And as you can see, we are 2 wins, 1 loss. This is not good. I want to see some strong impulsive move to the upside or to the downside, above or below this blue line. So let's do one more, and it's 1 hour time frame, so you have to wait, but you have other pairs for this. No. No. Again, no. Because it was taking too much time. I want to see something like this. You see? Something like this. If you zoom it out, you see it was just moving sideways and then boom, and then strong reverse up, then you hit up, or something like this. As you can see, it's moving and then boom and down. This this could be probably I don't know if I would take this. Oh, and also if you want to master this, well, what I did, I don't want it to be on the chart. Well, I don't know what I did. How to get it back? Move to S. If you want to master this, you can just train on the TDI. So this is what you want to see. Here I can tell you it will go up. I don't even know what is price doing, but let's see. And whoa, what do we see? This is what you are looking for. It's going sideways and then strong move to the downside, almost hitting our line of 25, and made some W, and look at this. It just went up and up and up. So just by mastering the TDI, I would recommend, if you want to use indicator, to look into TDI. You can pretty much predict. As you can see, it is making M and Ws. So you can predict the price. I will, just by looking at this, I can tell you, like before, what price will most likely be doing. This is what you're looking for. And again, I did it again, guys and girls. But you get the point. So take a look into this and let me know. Let me know if you like this method, this indicator. This indicator is very good and I am recommending you to take a look into it. And if you want, I will do video on small time frames, because of course if you use 1 hour time frame, then you have to wait. If you use 5 minutes, 1 minute, then it's faster, but it's different. You need to act fast, but of course scalping is fast. So let me know if you want. I will do video on small time frame and some more explanations if you want. Okay, so make sure to watch other things on this channel. I have Fibonacci strategy, extremely good, extremely simple and very good strategy, how to use Fibonacci with some pattern. If you see this setup, then it's very high quality trade, and most of the times you will be in profit with this trade. So that's it for this video, and let me know in comment section below what do you think about this strategy.